This is grade 3 Dynamite by BTS, and it's a right hand. So you're starting on the F above C, and you hold on to that F whilst you add 5 on D. Then 3 and 1 on B flat and F, 2 goes on to A, then you swap that 2 to a 3 and play it quickly, straight down to 2 and then quick 1. Okay, that rhythm's quite tricky, which is why I've gone through and explained it. I'm going to play it again, but without talking. Next bit, you've got 3 Fs at the beginning. This time, bar 5, we put 3 on F. Same again. So bar 7 there, you actually want to start that. In fact, both of them I think need to be with a 4 on the F. So from bar 5 again. That bit, it's suggesting to start, so this is bar 17, suggesting to start with a 2 on a C. So you go under, no, they're saying 2, 3, then under. I'll do that again. So it's a quick 2, straight to 3, then you swing your thumb under to F. And this is this 2, 3 bit again, like we did back in bar 17. So 2, 3, swing your thumb under.